Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. We're checking out some shock setups. This is a Defender Limited, so the fully enclosed, heated and cooled cab. And as you can see, this one's already thumping. It's got our audio roof, it's got a bed rack, it's got a rear bumper, it's got the Nerf rails. This one's thumped out, so got some dark window tint. I'm loving that. But check it out. What we're talking about is it's got the FOX QS3 Shocks on it and stock A-arms. So these shocks work perfectly with the stock A-arms or our forward control arms for the Defender. So if you're width restricted, maybe you don't want the wide long travel, maybe you've got some tight trails, maybe you don't have enough room in the trailer for that extra width, whatever it may be, but you still want that better ride quality. Here you go. Specifically designed to be a stock replacement. Unbolt your existing OEM shocks on the Defender, bolt these bad boys in, and you're ready to go ride. They do have adjustability on the remote reservoir, so you can adjust your settings there with the 3-position switch. You can adjust your spring height here, so you can really fine-tune where you want your spring preload to be, where you want your ride height to be, so you can get a little bit of a lift out of it if you're adding some accessories and want to lift it up a little bit, or always carrying a pretty heavy load. Add a little bit more preload, get that ride height where you need it. So these are a great option for still stock control arms, or like I said, for just the forward control arms if you want to run some bigger wheels and tires. This is still a good stock setup here. They're still running the stock XPS tires on this one, so yeah. Anyhow, check it out, guys. Find out more by checking out one of our local dealers or online at thumperfab.com, and we'll see you out on the trail. Thanks.